Good morning, it's Helen from Modcon Campers here, and today I'm going to be cooking a camp oven French toast. It's a little bit decadent, but you know. So what you do is you start with a piece of foil and a piece of parchment paper, and you make it slightly bigger. You fold up the sides, but you're making it slightly bigger than the length of the bread. Making a little box, so just fold down these edges. And we've got a little container to cook our brioche in. So I'm using brioche instead of ordinary bread, and I'm just going to split the pieces apart, and I'm going to place banana between them. You can use any fruit that you want to use. I like raspberries and banana, but you can certainly use strawberries or anything else that happens to be in season. Right, so that's our banana in. And now I'm going to fill it in with raspberries. Now, as you can see, everything in the Modcon kitchen is all nice and close to hand. So now that the fruit is all between all of our slices of bread, I'm just going to crack a few eggs. Now if I was doing the whole loaf, I'd do 8 eggs, but because I'm sort of doing half a loaf, I'm going to do 4 eggs. To the eggs I'm going to add a little bit of milk, just a splash, a little bit of vanilla bean, and a sprinkle of mixed spice. And with a fork just beat it till it's well combined, and then gently pour over all of the bread. I've got a lidded roasting pan that I've got a trivet inside, and I've got it over a medium sort of a heat. I'm going to place that in there and then put the lid on and just turn that down slightly, and I'm going to leave that for about 40 minutes. So it's been about 40 minutes, possibly a little longer. So it's looking pretty good. Time to take it out. And we're just going to drizzle some maple syrup over the top. Does it get any better than that?